In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to monetize your TikTok account and start earning money from your views, followers, and engagement. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Now navigate to your profile page. Then click on the three bars given at the top right. Now navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Now over here, you're going to find the front option. Click on the option Account. Click on the option Switch to Business Account. Since it gives you access to the commercial music library, detailed analytics, and other tools that help once you start monetizing. After switching, go back to TikTok Studio. This is where you're gonna find your analytics and most importantly the monetization section. Scroll down to programs for you and tap view all to see every monetization option available. Here TikTok will show you eligibility status for each program. For example, you might already qualify for Series Plus but still be working toward the requirements for the Creator Reward Program, which typically requires being 18 plus, having 1 lakh views in the last 30 days, and having 10,000 followers. If you're not eligible yet, tap Notify Me so TikTok alerts you as soon as you qualify. You can also explore additional opportunities like Creator Marketplace, where you can collaborate with brands, sell products, offer subscriptions, and more. Once you start earning, your revenue such as Creator Rewards, Power Post earnings, and live gift will appear at top of the studio page. To withdraw your earnings, go back to your balance, add a payout method like PayPal or a bank account, and once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount of just $1, you can transfer your money directly. And that's it. This guide helped you out. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.